What's up, everybody? It's Mr. Jamal from the Penn Center and Mr. Kyle from the Mott Center. Today we will be showing you guys a game called My Identity. The objective of the game is to put 6 different place cards down, and the place cards will be labeled as such. We have I am, I can, I am learning to, I enjoy, I believe that, and places where I spend my time. Accordingly, we will also put a number 1 through 6 on each of the labels so that whatever dice number is rolled, that is the place card that will go. So once the music starts, Kyle is going to be my partner for this activity. It can be done between 2 and 6 players. We will keep a safe social distance between us. As the music plays, we will walk like musical chairs. When the music stops, we will stop on the place card that we're behind, and then we will roll the dice. Whatever number the dice lands on, that person will take their turn to give themselves a positive kind of self-statement for positive self-awareness. You ready, Kyle?
Yes.
All right. So the music stopped, so we stop. We're gonna roll the dice. We're gonna go. Of course, it's me. So I have the I can label. I'm gonna say something positive about I can that identifies myself. I'm gonna say I can do whatever I set my mind to. So that's gonna be my positive statement for this go around. We're gonna start the music and go again. Music stop. We're gonna roll the dice again. You wanna roll this on top? Four. You.
So I rolled a 4, so that landed on me. So I am learning to find new ways to care about others around me right now.
Nice one. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna continue to move around the circle with the music playing and rolling the dice until each label has been stepped on and each person has had a chance to go. We hope you find this as a fun activity to do from home.